Meaning of felony.
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 Felony. A felony is a serious crime that typically involves violence or harm to others, such as murder, rape, robbery, or arson. Committing a felony can have severe consequences, including imprisonment for a long period of time, substantial fines, and a criminal record that can affect one's ability to find employment and housing. In some cases, a felony conviction can also result in the loss of certain rights, such as the right to vote or carry a firearm. Overall, a felony conviction can have a significant impact on someone's life and future opportunities.